The waste and recycling industry is complex, fast-paced, and constantly evolving. To succeed in this industry, you need AMCS Platform, a unique enterprise-grade cloud software platform for waste and recycling companies that is always being updated as the needs of your business and the market evolve. But software is only as good as the knowledge of the people who use it, so we want to give your team every chance of success. That's why we invest heavily in continuous customer education and training to help you get the most out of AMCS Platform. AMCS Academy, our world-class digital learning platform, is more than just a series of videos. Our instructional design team has created step-by-step tutorials that walk you through completing tasks in our software. Whether you're a new or experienced user, our tutorials will give you the confidence to navigate and master AMCS Platform with ease. We know that you're busy and can't always fit in training around your work schedule. That's why AMCS Academy is available online 24/7, so you can learn what you need, where and when you need it, at a fraction of the cost of in-person training. It is constantly updated so you can always stay current on our latest innovations. And with our in-app guides embedded in the platform, your team can get help right where they are, without having to navigate away from the task at hand. Every business is unique, so we also offer tailored live training delivered by our consultants to meet your specific needs. At AMCS Group, we know that investing in customer education ensures that you are empowered with knowledge. Your business can enjoy a faster and higher return on investment in AMCS Platform. This unique investment in customer success sets us apart. With our digital learning resources and professional services group, you'll have the knowledge and confidence you need to use AMCS Platform to its fullest potential. Contact us today to learn more.